I'm connected Bluetooth, right? Yes, I am. Shade up. Good. Yeah, perfect. Anti Valasan? Let me know when you put it money. Alhamdulillah, Allah. Keep learning. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Can someone confirm online if they can hear my voice? Is my voice loud and clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So we were now on, still on lesson number 3, page 15. I told you guys last lesson to complete these. Question number 2. Very easy, very simple. All you got to do is read and write all the vowels for the following examples. You got to read first off. Obviously, you should know the translation. These words are repetitive. We've done it multiple times in the past. But the author wants you to basically read with the vowels along with all the i'rab, which are the last vowel of the last letter of every word. Starting off with the first one, an example I will give, what I want you guys to do is the first one says al-maktabu maksurun. Al-maktabu maksurun, which translates as the desk is broken. The desk is broken. Once that was completed, can someone do the second one for me? Right here, number 2.
المدرسة جديد.
No. Not al-madrasa.
المدرس.
No. We've done this word multiple times. It refers to a teacher. Al-mudarrisu
جديد.
jadidun. Correct. Al-mudarris jadid. Uncle Hassan, can you translate that for me? Since you took the...
Yes, modern school.
No, it's not school. It's mudarris is a teacher. The teacher is...
Teacher is modern?
No, new.
New.
Jadid is
Sorry.
new.
Jadid, yeah. Okay.
Again, someone asked me privately today, well, what's the main, how can we keep track with our lessons in this book? I told them, I don't want you guys, if you guys want to write stuff, you guys can write, because everything is self-explanatory in the book. What I want you guys to do is mainly just have a vocabulary, just learn all the words. Very important. Just learn the words as we go through. Once you know all the words that we covered, it's very easy. Like, I don't want to be like in lesson number 6, and I'm asking someone the translation of al-baytu, and they still don't know what al-baytu is. Al-baytu is the house, right? Yeah, we've done this in lesson number 1. So if you want to go back and go through the previous words, you may do so. That's very important. So I want each and every one of you to just know the words. So as I go along with number 3, number 4, number 5, all the number 10, you guys could go back to your lessons, the previous lessons, and find the translation. Number 3, who can do number 3 for me? Sure. So someone on site wants to do it? Yes. Correct. Al-Khamisu wasifa. What's the translation for that? Qamis, which is a shirt, right? The shirt is dirty. Correct. The shirt is dirty. The shirt is al-qamisu. Yes, what's your question?
Is it all jazm they make it round? We do like it another way. I don't know.
Jazm, yes. Okay, I'll explain that.
The jazm they make it like a round.
Yes.
Like
So yes, the
we like it like that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's totally fine. So the one of the sisters on site, she asked the jazm, right? Jazm could be written in this book. The jazm is simple circle. In other books, the jazm is like a backward C. And many of the mushaf, which are written with the Bangladeshi font, I would say it's Arabi, but it's like a traditional Bangladeshi style font. Their jazm is like an upside down triangle.
Triangle.
It's like a triangle.
Right.
Yeah. So all are the same. It depends on how you write, as long as you understand it. Me in this book, I'm gonna use a simple circle for my jazm. Sometimes I even go like this. When I write quick, I put the backward C. But so you will see both, but I'll never use the triangles, letting you know. I'm not used to that. I will use either. So it's the same thing. It does not matter how you write it, to be honest. It's fine. Number 4.
اللبن بارد.
Again, repeat that again.
اللبن بارد.
Incorrect. You did one. Can someone online correct that? Everything else is good. There was an error in the word.
بارد.
No, that was fine. That word is fine. The first word. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that again?
اللبن.
Yes. So for the people on site, the person online said al-labnu baridun. What's the mistake?
لبن.
Al-labanu. Labanu.
Yeah.
Laba. So the ba does not have a sukun. The ba does not have a sukun. The ba has fatha on it. Al-labanu. Al-laba. Laban. Al-labanu baridun. And can you translate that?
The milk is cold.
Perfect. The milk is cold.
Chill.
Number 5. Anyone?
المسجد مفتوح.
Correct. On site, someone already answered it. Someone online answered it now. Al-masjid maftuhun. What's the translation?
The masjid is open.
The masjid is open. I'm not going to write that down. We've done this word many times. Al-masjid. Number 6.
الحجر كبير.
Correct. Translate that, please.
The big stone or large rock.
The
Yeah.
stone is big.
So the stone is
The-
big. If you were to translate it as the large rock, then it's different because it's more like an adjective,
Okay.
right? So he said the rock is big, right? It makes a big difference in Arabic. So you have to translate as the rock is big. Okay.
Brother
Perfect. Is that
Sajid,
clear? Yes.
is there a different word for boulder? Or in Arabic it's the same? Hajr.
Al-hajar. The classical Arabic, the way we speak al-hajar, we refer that to be a boulder.
Okay.
A
like
boulder.
big stone.
Yeah, like a big stone. When it comes to rocks, you could translate as, like a ramla or something like, yeah,
Like
but
pebbles
generally
and-
pebbles, yeah, like ramla, like something, like it's like sandy, something so
Mhm.
very small. When you say hajar, it's
Like-
better if you specify it.
Like we do
Al-hajar
ramal.
sadir.
Like
Ramal.
ramal for
Correct,
hajr.
ramal. Correct, ramla, right? Comes from that word.
Pebbles.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Number 7. It's a little longer one, but very easy. Well, someone already did the translation of number 4, which is right here. Al-labanu barid, which is the milk is cold, and wal-ma'u har. Can someone do that? Wal-ma'u
Harun.
harun. Harun. There's a shadda on the ra. Harun, which means and the water is hot.
Hot.
Al-imamu jalisun wal-mudarrisu waqifun. Can someone do that quickly? Translate. I read it. Sorry, I'm supposed to make you guys read it. The imam is sitting and the teacher is
Student
standing.
is that.
Teacher.
No, teacher is standing.
Teacher is.
Teacher is standing. Can someone read number 9 for me and translate it as well? Yes. Continue. What does that translate as? The moon, correct? The moon is correct. القمر بعيد. The moon is far. بعيد. The moon is far. Number 10. Quickly, anyone? Give it a try.
المنديل نظيف.
Correct. Clean. For the person online, can you translate this?
The handkerchief is clean.
Correct. So just don't get confused. These are the opposite. Nadif is clean. Wasif is dirty. Nadif is clean. Wasif is dirty. Okay. Is that clear? Very simple.
And-
Very simple. Again, the only way you guys can progress with this book is to know the words and just know the words. Just memorize all the words. Even if you have to repeat it 50 times, wasif means dirty. Wasif, 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 wasif. Just do it like that. Just memorize it. I'm telling you, it's going to benefit you by the end of this book, inshallah.
Brother, question.
Thaqilun is heavy. Thaqilun is heavy. Light is khafifun. Khafif. I'll write that word right now over here on top. Khafif. Khafif. Khafifun is light. Anything that's light will be khafif. Yes, Uncle Hassan, you had a question.
You said number 6. You said al-ma'u harun. When do we use like al-ma'u hamim? Like hamim is also hard, right?
Now, hamim is like more like a very specific description of Jahannam water.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah. So hamim in the Quran is hot water, but it's very specified. It's very specific with Jahannam. Hamim is like boiling water. Like when you drink it, it rips through your lungs and rips through your stomach and affects you. Hamim is something very specific. So don't ever say to someone, I want Mount Hamim. Like, you want Jahannam water. Like, don't ever say that. You don't want to say Ma'un har. Har means hot. When Allah describes Hamim in the Quran, Allah is always talking about Jahannam. Is that clear?
Yes, thank
Warm.
you.
Perhaps it was warm. No, warm water. I would not know the exact word if there's a word for warm, but we say hot in speech. We say hot, warm and hot. Yes, it's a warm. Yes, or you could say what's that word? Subhanallah. Ma'un sakhan. Sakhan also means warm. Sakhan. It's classic Arabic. Sakhan. Yes, sakhan is less hot than hot. Sakhan. Musakhan means hot. So you could say the food is musakhan, the food is hot, warm. You're not gonna say it's hot in the sense that it's gonna hurt you. It's just warm. The food is musakhan. It's hot food. So the word the temperature, which is much more hotter than har, would be sakhan. Sakhan. Sa kha nun. Sa kha, less hot. Less hot. More hot will be har. Number 3. So imla al-faragh. Let's give it a try. We're learning how to pronounce words. We're learning how to pronounce without the vowels. Can someone give it a try? Number 3, just read that. We'll go through it together, and I'll translate it for you guys.
Imla al-faragh.
Okay, so let's do it slowly, okay? Obviously, you're not understanding the meaning, but like I just want to see how much you guys get correct. So you said number 1, imla, right? Imla.
Yes. إملاء الفراغ الفراغ
This is going to be مفعول فيما, correct?
يلي
فيما يلي, good job.
بوضع الكلمة بوضع okay. الكلمات
كلمتي
المناسبة
مناسبتي من
الكلمات
من الكلمات what's on the top من الكلمات
من الكلمات
من الكلمات
كلمات التالية
good try. But so see, subhanallah, I realized this, right? So when you read Uncle Hassan, you read every vowel right. You're just making mistakes at the i'rabs. That's how important Arabic is, right? You're making mistakes at the i'rabs. I'rabs are the last letter, the vowel of the last letter. You kept on making errors here, but everything else you're reading right, subhanallah. So it shows like how important it is to know the i'rab. You guys will not know this because we haven't done big sentences like this. Translation is imla means to fill. Al-faragh means empty space. فيما يلي, with the following words, بوضع الكلمة, by fitting the appropriate word from the word given at the bottom. So fill in the blanks. Short words, fill in the blanks. With the following words that's given right in front of you, right here. Let's do this together. First off, the best way to do this, brothers and sisters, is to know the translation of every word. Then only you could do this. So before, I'm not going to translate the words that's given in the example, but let's translate the scrambled words above. Jamil, what does that mean, guys?
Pretty beautiful.
Beautiful. Wasikh.
Heavy.
Dirty.
مفتوح.
Open.
حار.
Hot.
Hot.
ثقيل.
Heavy.
خفيف.
Light.
Now, obviously, we want to make sense. And you could only use the same word once. Al-hajaru, yeah, you could say, I don't know, if someone finds a rock to be very beautiful, it says al-hajaru jameel. No, we don't want to use that for that, right? Like, let's use a correct, as the author says, min al-kalimat al-munasiba, that which is befitting with the following words. So let's do this together, okay? Number one, al-hajaru. Can someone give it a try? Al-hajaru thaqilun, and translate that for me. The rock is heavy. Number two, al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Number three, al-qamaru
Jamil.
jamil. The moon is beautiful. Al-waraqu khafifun. The paper is light. Al-mindilu
Wasikhun.
wasikhun. Wasikhun over here, because there's no nadifun in the scrambled words above. We have the word wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Al-labanu, last one. Harun. Correct. The milk is hot. Any questions with regards to this page? Very easy. Again, well, alhamdulillah, we are able to read many words right now until now. Any questions? Any translations for any specific word? Moving forward. Okay, now you got to do this yourself. I'm not going to give you anything. From all the words you learned in the past, I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. So imla al-faragh, so fill in the blanks by placing a suitable word to complete the sentence. In the previous example, we were giving predicates, right? We were filling up predicates. The subject was already there. Now in this lesson, in this part, question number 4, we got to write the subject. So go through your book. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. 5 minutes or even less than 5 minutes. 4 minutes. Go through the book. We are now in page number 16. Go through your books and fill it up yourself. And I just want quick answers. I'm going to ask one by one. I'm going to go through the people who are present in class. I'm going to start calling your names. Just give me an answer quickly. So you have 10 examples. You should know the translation of every predicate in this chart. Just fill it up yourself. Obviously, don't cheat and start using the same word over and over. Just use different words. We've learned enough words for 10 examples. Enough, right?
Okay.
So I had a classmate who would do that in class, right? He would just write like al-hajaru nadifun, al-hajaru ba'idun, al-hajaru. No. You can't do that. So just use different words. And this will help you practice how to write Arabic. It's just 4 minutes, inshallah. It's 41 right now. By the time we reach at 45, I'll start going through it, inshallah. Guys, look. There's some examples in the bottom too. Al-kalimat al-jadid, the new words. You can start using those words too. But what it looks like, none of those words are actually subjects, except for one. Yeah, except for one. Shouldn't take long. You could just leaf through the previous lessons. You'll find so many nouns. Look at this. These are all nominal sentences, right? Starting with a noun. You can find so many nouns in the first page. Just fill in the blanks. Hello, we got 3 minutes. Quickly. Sorry. 2 minutes. Bismillah. Couldn't take that long. This is very simple. Even if there are some words that you know yourself, that is not found in this book, until now you can use those words. Absolutely. For example, you could say something like, as-sarwal nadifun. The pant is clean. As-sarwal means pant. Got a minute left. We'll go through it together, inshallah. Perfect. Inshallah. We'll start off with number 1. With the sifat. Can you do number 1? Al-qamisu nadifun. Al-qamisu nadifun. This is by the sifat. Al-qamisu nadifun. Can you translate that for me? The shirt is clean. Number 2, Uncle Mahmoud. Maksuran, yes, that's what I'm asking for. Ashubaka to maksurun. Good try, but I did not teach you guys this because we haven't come across it. No, it's very good. Ashubakatu, which is window, right? We've done it before. Can someone tell me what's the error here? Obviously, he gave a correct answer. There's a small error in grammar. And we're going to learn that when we start differentiating between feminine and masculine words. This is a feminine word, right?
Maksuratun.
Maksuratun. Okay, maksuratun. Because it has a gold, it has a ta mudawwara. So shubakatu maksuratun. But I understand what you did. It's correct. Ashubaku maksurun. And can you translate that for me? The window is broken. Number 3, Uncle Hassan, can you give it a try online?
I don't remember, brother. I'll be honest with you.
Okay, let's do it together. What's this word? Sorry. You see that word right there? Number 3?
Baridun.
What does that mean?
I forgot.
Tender. Cold.
Cold. Okay.
Yes. Okay, now add a word before it. Add a subject before it. What's cold?
الماء
الماء بارد. خلاص. That's how simple it is. الماء بارد. The
Okay.
water is cold. Number 4, Dr. Sada.
الكرسي قريب.
الكرسي قريب. The chair is close. Correct. The chair is near. Uncle Salek. بعيد. Opposite of قريب.
الحليب بارد.
حليب.
الحليب.
Yes, الحليب بعيد. Correct.
بارد.
The milk. No. Number 5. Sorry.
بعيد. المسجد بعيد.
That's right. المسجد بعيد. Correct. صح. المسجد بعيد. The masjid is Far.
Far.
Anyone else? Sabab, brother Sabab, number 6. What does waqif mean? Standing. So. Al-imamu waqifun. The imam is standing. Number 7, Antusmani, over here in class. Jalis. What does jalis mean? Sitting. So give me a subject for that. صح. You can use a name. Sabab is Sabab jalisun. Sabab is Sababu jalisun. Sabab is sitting. We have Kabir, number 8. Can someone give it a try online? Anyone else who hasn't done it yet? Kabir. Rehan? See Rehan online? Anyone else?
Sababu kabirun.
Al-babu kabirun. Okay. The door is big. Correct. Number 9, qadimun. Anyone can give it a try? Qadimun. Qadim is what? First off. Yes, for the person. Say it again.
Al-baytu qadimun.
Yes, al-baytu qadimun. Correct. The house is old. Al-baytu qadim, very old house. Then jadid is the opposite of qadim. You know that. Jadid means new. We could do anything. All right. Al-qamis. Talk about something else.
Yes.
Al-masjidu. As-sayyaratu. Now let's do this together.
As-sayyaratu.
As-sayyaratu.
As-sayyaratu jadida, yes.
As-sayyaratu. Let's give it a try now. Jadidatun. Correct. As-sayyaratu, because it's a feminine word, right? Sayyaratu. As-sayyaratu. Sorry? No. New masjid is masjidun jadidun. Sayyara meaning gari. Car. Car. Sayyaratu. As-sayyaratu jadidatun.
Sayyaratu is a feminine word.
Feminine. Sayyara is a feminine word. As I mentioned, anything with a ta mudawwara, circle ta, at the end or like this, it's a feminine word. So you have to, when you describe it, you gotta change it. And it's very easy, brothers and sisters. Yeah. So like, let's try transforming kabir to a feminine word.
Kabiratun.
Kabiratun. What?
Sayyara.
As-sayyaratu is a car. Waqif. Yes.
Waqifatun.
Waqifatun. Sitting, correct. You're right. Sayyara. Qarib, qaribatun. Barid, baridatun. Ba'id, ba'idatun. Jalis, jalisatun. Qadim, qadimatun. That's the easiest way to transform anything to feminine, right? Maksur, maksuratun. Nadifun, nadifatun. Okay? Now they're teaching you, again, just know these words, because these words repeat once again. Al-qamar, al-kalimatul jadir refers to new words. New words. These are all the new words you learned until now from this new lesson. Al-qamaru, someone? Damun, jadidun, qadimun, wasikhun, nadifun, harrun, baridun, saghirun, small, kabirun, maftuhun, maksurun, broken, thaqilun, heavy, khafifun, light. So now let's let the last 3 be done for the online guys. Jamilun, no one's answering. Beautiful. Waqifun,
Sitting.
standing. Jalisun,
Sitting.
perfect. So these are now again they just keep on bringing this back so that you guys like try to put this in your memory. The difference between alif lam and no alif lam. Right? Najmun is going to be with the tanween. With alif lam, with one dhamma. I just always know this. The author is going to keep on sliding this information in so that you always remember. And what's the difference in translation? Someone online, give it a try. Najmun and an-najmun. Difference in translation.
A star, the star.
A star. The star. Correct. Da and a. Alif lam is always going to be the. Without it, it's going to be a. Simple. Any star. Okay. Now we're going to get into some new words. Again, I really suggest you guys to have a list of words. Just write these words down. Inshallah. Now, some of these words, you've done it in the past already, okay? Let's go through it. Can someone read the first one?
النجم بعيد.
Translate that for me. We've done these two words before.
The star is far.
The star is far. Correct. The star is far. والنجم إذا هوى. Allah mentions in the Quran. الرجل واقف. Can someone give this a try?
The man is standing.
The man is standing. Again, word that we've already done in the past. Oh, sorry. Okay. السكر حلو. What does that mean? We've done this
Sweet sugar.
Sweet
The sugar
is
is
sweet.
The sugar, yes, حلو is sweet. So حلويات, right? حلاوة. These are all sweet stuff. Sweet desserts. حلوة, حلاوة, yes. It comes from the word حلو. حلو means sweet. السكر حلو. Obviously, sugar is sweet, right? Sugar is not bitter. The sugar is sweet. Until now, we've done the word حلو before, did we? Nope. New word. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to highlight it in blue. Sorry, this is not a good color. Green. Highlight it in green. New word. حلو, which means sweet. حلو. Sweet. Once again, guys, new word. You guys can put this in your vocab list. Another new word. I don't think we've done this word before. Many of us know this word, though. Can someone translate that for me and read it for me, please? Read it and translate.
الطالب مريض.
Correct. الطالب مريض. Can you translate that for me?
Student is sick.
Student is sick. Sick. So if someone is not online today, perhaps they're مريض. They're sick. Right? This is not a peacock. I don't know why subhanallah. The deek is Jamil. No. We've done both words before. The deek,
The rooster.
the rooster. Sorry?
What was the third one?
Yeah.
The third one, السكر حلو, is the sugar is sweet. حلو.
And then at-talibu
مريض is sick. Sick. He's sick. No. So, Brother Sabah asked this question. This is a very common error. A lot of my students in Sunday class also get confused. No, it is diku. So see this right here, brothers and sisters online.
Right.
So the way of writing this, look at the shadda, right? People might think that's a fatha. No. The style of writing in this book and a lot of Arabic books, if the line is under the shadda, then it's a kasra. It doesn't have to be under the whole word. And if it's above the shadda, it's a fatha. Okay? So see that right there? It's under the shadda, right? So it's going to be a kasra. Okay? Ad-diku jamilun.
There's no word.
No.
Okay. So
Daiku in Arabic, daiku means like, but it's two different. Daiku is totally different. Daiku is like this. Ba,
oh, and
off. Daiku is like tight space. Diku is rooster. Yeah, murghi, right? Murghi, diku, jamilun, khubsurat. Who finds a rooster to be beautiful? But that's what the example is given everywhere. The rooster is beautiful. Okay. Daftaru, a new word. Daftar. Can someone tell me what daftar is? Perhaps they may know this.
Office.
office.
No, very close. And Urdu people say
Notebook.
office, right?
Notebook.
Notebook. Daftar is notebook. Yes. So all you guys have daftars right now, right? I'm assuming you guys have daftars. You guys are writing in your daftar. So for the Urdu people, they said office. In Urdu, daftar is office, right? So but in Arabic, ad-daftaru is the notebook. Ad-daftaru jadidun. The notebook is new. Uthman al-Ghani. At-tajiru ghaniyun.
Rich.
The merchant is rich.
Trade merchant.
The
Yeah.
merchant is rich. Ghani, rich. Sorry, I'm not reading merchant. Rich. Ghani, rich. Ghani, rich. الدكان مفتوح. We've done this before. The store is
Open.
open. الولد فقير. Many of us use the word فقير. What does فقير mean? فقير.
Poor.
poor.
The kid
The
is poor.
child
The child
is
is
poor.
poor.
These are all new words I'm highlighting in green. التفاح لذيذ لذت. لذيذ. Where that word come from?
Delicious.
Delicious, right?
Tasty.
لذت, or like tufah. We've done this word before. Tufahu. We've done it before, right?
Apple. The
Yes.
apple.
Tufahu is apple. The apple is tasty. Delicious. Sorry? Tufahu is apple, correct. The apple. Over here, as alif lam. The apple is tasty, delicious. If you go to Saudi, you find a lot of restaurants that have the name Laziz, because they use that word delicious. Ladid with a dal. Double dal. Dal. Ladid. Yeah, it's hard to say. People just say Laziz. Even Arabs, they say Laziz. They don't say Ladid. But its correct pronunciation is, Arabs read it like that, Lazizun. Well, it's like, khalas. Tajweed, if you want to read it with proper pronunciation, is Ladid. And you want to write it down, don't write it with a za. You have to read it dal. Ladid means tasty. Tasty. The food is tasty. So you go to someone's house and a compliment, you could be like, Ta'amuk ladid. Your food is tasty. Ta'amuk. Ta'am is food. Ta'amuk, it means your food. We'll learn that in the future. Ta'amuk ladid. Your food is tasty. It's a compliment.
Brother, but you said ta'amuka, your food is tasty, right?
Yes. Ta'amuk.
Okay.
Your food is tasty.
Okay.
We'll learn that in the future.
Now, off the topic, brother, when you say lazizun, right?
Yes.
So some people say in azan, when you write it, it says like azan. It's not adan, right?
No, it's adan.
Azan.
It's the same.
Right.
No, it's adan with the same letter. No, not azan.
Right.
Adan.
Okay. So when somebody says adan, that's mispronunciation then.
Yes, it's a mispronunciation.
No.
I've done this in the past in the first lesson. Sadly, these 4 letters are here. People pronounce them as the same thing. They're not the same thing.
Right.
And in Bangla, all of this equals to G. Ja, right?
Oh,
Right?
okay.
In Bangla, like I'm thinking about Bangla,
Okay.
so we have some Bengali students here. Like for Bangla, it'll be Jul, it'll be Jalal, it'll be Jillat, it'll be, everything. I don't want with sounds. But yeah, but in Urdu, this becomes literally Za. No, not
Yeah,
everything's
exactly.
Za, right? And in
True.
Bangla, that's other part of the spectrum. It's not a G. It's every letter, every one of them is pronounced differently. Next one, 2. I highlighted the 2 new words already. So at-tabib, we've done it before. The doctor. Tawil, what does tawil mean? Tall. Good job. We haven't done it, right? We've done it?
No.
We've done it? Tawilun. Okay, the doctor is tall. وَالْمَرِيضُ قَصِيرٌ.
The patient is small.
Yes, marid. Yeah, and the patient is short. It just could be translated as patient here. It could be translated as patient. I don't know why they confuse like that. They should have used another word.
So kasir and there's another word for short or
Saghir.
small. No, small. There's another word.
Saghir?
Saghir, yeah.
Yeah, so the difference between saghir and qasir is just like English, short and small. You want to describe a person's height, you're going to call him qasir. In that case, it's a small person, right? It depends. Small in that sense will be more condescending. It's calling a person small. Short is more befitting, right? So you want to talk about a person's height, you say he's short, he's not small. But marid is the patient. Is that clear? So I've highlighted all the new words in this lesson right now. النجم بعيد، الرجل واقف، السكر حلو، الطالب مريض، الديك جميل، الدفتر جديد، التاجر غني، الدكان مفتوح، الولد فقير، التفاح لذيذ، الطبيب طويل، والمريض قصير. That's 11 examples with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new words. Yes. Again, the author keeps on bringing these examples so that you're not confused. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Write the last vowel in each word. I'm not going to write it down. Can you guys do it yourselves? الباء بو، التاء النج، القمر correct. سرير،
البيت، المسجد، الرجل،
رجل،
السكر، الورق.
correct. You see, already you guys know how to read these words without vowels. Correct. ورق. Let's finish it off. Let's see how much you have left. I think this is the last part. Okay, yeah, that's it. Guys, technically, I want you guys to do this yourselves. Very easy. املأ الفراغ فيما يلي بوضع كلمة مناسبة. Fill in the blanks with a suitable word. غني. Let's do that together right now. Who's like this? Give an example.
التاجر غني.
التاجر غني. From the example above. التاجر غني. You could also say الرجل غني. الطبيب غني. Whatever. غني means rich. حلو.
السكر غني.
سكر. Let's
حلو.
use another word that we've done. The apple. How do you say the apple now? التفاح. التفاح حلو. The apple is sweet. الطبيب مريض. The doctor is sick. Right? The doctor is sick. He needs attention. الطبيب مريض. لذيذ. Tasty. الديك. The rooster is tasty. الديك. This is a more befitting, example. طويل. Let's use animals. We've learned many animals in the past.
الباب طويل.
No, let's use animals.
Okay.
الجمل.
Okay.
الجمل is in the camel is very tall. You can't even get on top of it. الجمل طويل. The camel is very tall. And let's talk about and from the animals we learned, which animal is very short?
الحمار قصير.
Yeah, I was looking at the same example how Uncle Hassan is giving. الحمار. They're quite short, right? Not as tall as horses. الحمار, the donkey, is short. Yeah, that's very simple, right? اختر كلمتين من القائمة تناسب الكلمة التي في القادمة. So this is very simple. Just attach a line to the correct. Can you guys do that right now? We have 2 minutes. Simply attach a line. So like الطالب, do the first one together. الطالب مريض. So just do that yourselves. I'll give you guys 1 minute. Just you guys have to just attach the lines.
مفتوح التفاح لذيذ. الماء
Perfect. Let's do it together. الطالب
مريض.
الدكان
مفتون.
The store is open. التفاح
لذيذ.
لذيذ.
The apple is tasty. الماء
حار.
The water is hot. الحجر
ثقيل.
The stone is heavy. القلم
القلم مكسور.
the pen is broken. الكلمات الجديدة. New words. Again, we've learned 2 boxes now. Today we've done 2 boxes of new words. حلو, sweet. مريض, sick. الدكان,
shop.
غني,
rich.
طويل,
no, tall.
فقير,
poor.
قصير,
small.
التفاح no, short.
Short.
قصير, short. التفاح, apple. So please go through that. We're technically done lesson number 3. We just have to go through this. This is very simple. I'm going to go through this next lesson, inshallah. Do we know the difference between al-huruf al-qamariyya and al-huruf al-shamsiyya? Anyone? Can someone explain this to me? What this is? Al-huruf al-qamariyya wal huruf al-shamsiyya? Sun letters and moon letters? Huh? No.
Moon letters and
sun letters.
sun's letter?
Sun letters.
The moon letter you pronounce the al, lam.
Correct.
With Shamsiya, you do not.
Correct. Like, that's it. Very simple. Whether online, just give the answer to it. The difference between Qamariyya and Shamsiyya is basically, we look at the example. We have Huruf al-Qamariyya on top, right? Not Qamariyya, the coffee shop, right? We have Qamariyya. Hello. So we have al-Qamariyya, which is moon letters, and we have al-Shamsiyya, sun letters. The only difference is, if you look at the example, brothers and sisters, we have the first one, alif. Qamariyya is basically, you pronounce the alif lam. Al-Abu, Al-Babu, Al-Jannatu, Al-Himaru. When you look at Shamsiyya letters, you don't pronounce the alif lam. You do a shadda. For example, At-Tajiru, Al-Thawbu, Ad-Diku. You don't say Al-Diku. You say Ad-Diku. You don't say Al-Dhahabu. You say Al-Dhahabu. Is that clear? That's the difference between sun letters and moon letters. Inshallah, we will elaborate more on this next class.
But a quick question: where is the definition Qamariya and Shamsiya? Where does it come from?
Qamariya, it comes from the word Qamar, which means moon.
The moon
Right.
letter.
Moon
But how
letters.
does I mean, why does it indicate to certain letters? Where's the origination from? I mean, is there any...
the originality is just the word Qamar itself. You say al-Qamar. So the Arab people, they just made it by looking at these two things up in the skies. Ash-Shams is, you pronounce it with the sh. Ash-Shams, you don't hear the alif lam. Therefore, it's a sun letter. This made it simple. That's how they just kept it. They kept it like that. Al-Qamariyya and Ash-Shamsiyya. Moon letters and sun letters. That's how they defined it, and we just accept it in that manner.
Gotcha. Jazakallah khair.
Okay, if you look at the word itself, Al-Qamariyya, you pronounce the Al. If you look at the word Ash-Shamsiyya, you don't pronounce the Al. Therefore, it's moon letters and sun letters.
Gotcha.
14 each. See that? 14 each. Inshallah, we'll go
Jazakallah
through this next week. Any questions?
khair. La. Jazakallah khair.
Perfect. Inshallah, I'll see everyone on Thursday. No homework. Just go through. The
Inshallah.
only homework is go through the new words and try memorizing, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair.
Barakallah
Salam.
feekum.
Salam. 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 Barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, then.
No.